career important? Have you ever wondered why a few people are highly successful and a few people are mediocre in their chosen field of career? All of us want to achieve something in life, something great, something extraordinary, something unique. But why do many people end up achieving less than they expect? Among many aspects that contribute to the success of an individual, choosing the right career is one of the most important ones. In this video, we will talk about how choosing a career helps in making a person successful. Why is choosing a career important? Have you ever wondered why a person has to study? Do you know what percentage of our life we spend on studying? According to a study, the average life expectancy of a person is 79.5 years. And surprisingly, a person spends 1/3 of his life sleeping, which is 26 years. And you know what? We spend 7 years trying to sleep. Now we are left with only 47 years to live. Here comes the study part. Out of these 47 years, we spent 18 years going to school and college. So to achieve something, to prove our worth on this earth, we are left with just 29 years. Isn't this quite a short period of time? Let's go back to our first question. Why does a person have to study? All of us study because we want to achieve something in life. We want a better lifestyle. We want money. We want to get empowered. We want fame. Are these possible only if we study? Right? Completing the studies is just not enough. One more thing that you need along with your studies is the choice you are going to make about your career. Why is this career choice important in the first place? As we saw earlier, we are left with just 29 years on this earth to make justice for the 18 years of study we did. It is always told that we need to reap the benefits of the seeds we have sown. The only way to get benefits from our education is by choosing the right career and excelling at that particular career. If you look at any successful person around the globe, the career choice they took is one of the most important decisions that helped them stand where they are today. Bill Gates knew what he wanted to do in his career since he was a child. He made his career choice when he was just 13. And look at what he is today. Sachin Tendulkar decided that he wanted to be a cricketer. He made his choice and he excelled in his career. If he had chosen to become a software engineer, probably we might not have known the name Sachin Tendulkar. Abdul Kalam, right from his childhood, was fascinated how birds fly. He initially wanted to become a pilot. When the doors for becoming a pilot closed, he chose a career in building rockets. And we know what all he contributed to our country. If he had become a pilot or chose to pursue some other career, maybe we would have not known him. What we eventually become in our life, what we achieve in our life, what recognition we have and the kind of life we lead is all dependent on the career we choose. Let's consider a few scenarios. Let's say in the first scenario, you know what you want to pursue. And then you choose the right education and then you start the career in the right path. Then you work hard. You become successful in your career. And whatever you want in your life, you get that. This is the ideal scenario. What percentage of people do you think fall in this category? Let's look at the next scenario. You know what you want and you have also chosen the right education. And then you did not start the career in the right path. What will eventually happen? After spending a few years and when you see that the career is heading nowhere, you again think about starting your career based on the learning and experiences you have. In other scenario, let's say you don't know what you want and then you have not chosen the right education and then you start the career based on the options that were available. What do you think will happen now? After spending a couple of years, you see that there is no joy in the work, or you see that there is no career ahead. Then you think about acquiring the right degree and then start the career. Many things can go wrong with one's career and the impact can be seen on. We lose valuable time, sometimes years, and we cannot compensate for it. Not being able to achieve what we want to achieve might lead to loss of confidence and reduced self-belief. Not liking the work might lead to frustration and stress, creates imbalance in life. Not enjoying at work can further carry the same mood in personal life and might impact the relationships. If we struggle with our career, there is a chance that we might lose our identity as well. Since everything that we achieve in our life depends on how we choose our career, it becomes very important to understand certain aspects which will help you in choosing the right career path without making some fatal mistakes. Now, have you ever thought about your career? What would you like to pursue? Every student would be excited to get started on their career, right? Right after completing inter or graduation, people at that age are bold, smart, and full of ambitions. Yet sometimes it will be so overwhelming to think of the future because of lack of clarity, lack of guidance, and lack of knowledge. Even if you make one wrong step and land yourself in the wrong job, you will be wasting most of your time just hating that job rather than improving your skill, and that would do no good for your career and your life. It is said that important decisions are often the hardest decisions to make. This process is more than just choosing a job. It's about choosing something that will provide you with the lifestyle you want. Choosing a career requires a lot of things, aspects like knowledge, expertise, understanding oneself better, awareness of the industry, etc. It is therefore vital that you have the necessary information and get proper advice before you make your choice. You might have a question: did all the people who are successful in their careers have knowledge on all the aspects and hence they became successful? We can say that most of them had clarity on what they wanted to pursue. Then in common, most of them would have started early, and then all of them would have focused on improving their skill, and then they would have relentlessly worked to become successful, no matter what challenges they were confronted with. But the fundamental aspect that is common to most of them is choosing the right career. Remember, choosing your right career does not happen overnight. There are steps to be followed and things to be known. We will take you through one step at a time and help you to choose your career meticulously. When you complete this course, it's our promise that you are well informed about how to choose the right career path.
Why is choosing a career important? Let's take a look into the observations from this chapter. Choosing your career early can help you become an expert in the chosen field. You don't have to be born talented to become successful in life. Having a concrete plan can help you have a wonderful career. Choosing a career cannot be done in haste. It has to be done with careful thought, and it might take a lot of time. One needs good knowledge, better clarity, and guidance to choose the right career.